Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Cybersharks. In this video you will learn how to install Sublist3r in Linux system, or say Kali Linux. This step is same for all Debian-based Linux like Kali, Parrot or Ubuntu also. This is our Kali Linux server where we will install Sublist3r, so let's follow the steps shows in. Step 1, first check whether the Sublist3r is installed or not. As you can see, the Sublist3r is not installed in the system. It says do you want to install, you can directly press Y and continue. It will install it. Or just copy manually the code to install Sublist3r like that. Once you start installing the tool, it will take some time. Now the tool is installed. Let's verify the installation again. Well, the Sublist3r is installed as you can see. Let's find some subdomain here. This is the command to find subdomain. It will start Sublist3r just like that. It might take some time to find the subdomains. Done. We got some list of subdomains. That's it. Thank you for watching.